Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am very happy you're here today. In this video, we will learn English slowly and clearly. Our topic is cooking for my guests at home. Today I am in my kitchen. My friends are coming to my house. If you want to improve your listening and learn daily English, this video is perfect for you. So relax, listen carefully, and let's start. Today is a special day for me. In the evening, I have guests at my home. My guests are my friends. I feel happy because I like having guests, but I also feel a little nervous because I want everything to be nice. I walk slowly to the kitchen. The kitchen is quiet and clean. I turn on the light and open the window. Fresh air comes inside. I tie my hair back. Then I wash my hands with warm water. Now, I feel ready to start cooking. First, I prepare all the ingredients. I take them out of the fridge one by one. I have onions, tomatoes, and carrots. The vegetables look fresh and colorful. I wash the vegetables carefully under cold water. The water feels cold on my hands. I put the vegetables on the table. I take a knife and a cutting board. I cut the onions slowly. My eyes feel a little uncomfortable, but I continue. Then I cut the tomatoes and carrots into small pieces. I like cutting vegetables because it helps me relax. Now, I start cooking the main dish. I turn on the stove and put a pot on it. The fire is low because I want to cook slowly. I add some oil to the pot. When the oil becomes hot, I add the onions. I hear a soft cooking sound. The smell of the onions fills the kitchen. I stir the onions and add some simple spices. At this moment, I start to feel hungry. I add the chicken to the pot and mix everything together. Then, I add some water and close the lid. Now I wait and let the food cook slowly. After a few minutes, I taste the food. Suddenly, I realize something is wrong. Oh no, the food is too salty. I feel worried for a moment, but I stay calm and think. Then, I add a little more water. I taste the food again. Now it tastes much better. I smile and feel relieved. Mistakes can happen, and that is okay. Next, I start cooking rice. I wash the rice carefully several times. Slowly, the water becomes clear. I boil water in a pot and add the rice. I watch the rice as it cooks. The smell of rice makes me feel comfortable. I feel proud because everything is going well. Now, I want to make a simple cake for my guests. I take eggs, sugar, and flour from the cabinet. I mix the eggs and sugar in a bowl. I mix slowly and carefully. After some time, my arm feels tired and I laugh. I add the flour little by little. Suddenly, some flour falls on the table. The kitchen is not clean anymore, but I don't worry. Cooking can be messy sometimes. I put the cake in the oven and close the door. Now, I wait and hope the cake will be good. While the cake is in the oven, I prepare drinks. I make hot tea and fresh orange juice. The smell of tea is warm and relaxing. Then, I prepare fruits for decoration. I wash apples, bananas, and grapes. I cut them carefully and arrange them on a plate. I try to make the plate look nice and colorful. It is not perfect, but it looks lovely. Suddenly, I smell something strange. It smells like something is burning. I quickly go to the oven and open it. The top of the cake is too dark. I feel disappointed, but I don't give up. I carefully cut the top of the cake. The inside is still soft and good. I add some cream and decorate the cake. Now it looks much better. Finally, I set the table for my guests. I place the plates, glasses, and spoons on the table. When the doorbell rings, I feel ready. My guests arrive, and I welcome them with a smile. We sit together, eat the food, and talk. My guests enjoy the meal, and that makes me happy. At the end of the day, I feel relaxed and proud. Cooking was not perfect, but it was a good experience. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and write a comment for me. See you in the next video.